Alright, let's begin. Get comfortable. Sit straight. Relax your face. This is your daily English speaking time. Not a class. Not a test. Just a few minutes for your voice and your confidence. Today, we're talking about how to make a good American accent. Not perfect, not fake. Just clear, natural, and easy to understand. So take a breath, and let's start. Now, let me explain something very important. A good American accent is not about changing who you are. It's about clarity. It's about sounding relaxed and natural. You know, like you're talking to a friend, not acting in a movie. First, let's talk about speed. American English is usually calm and smooth. Not too fast, not too slow. Many learners rush their words. Don't do that. Slow down a little. Let the words breathe. For example, instead of saying everything together, say it clearly. I want to go to work today. Not rushed, not forced, just easy. Now let's talk about the sound. American English is relaxed in the mouth. The jaw is loose. The tongue is calm. You don't need to open your mouth too much. Let me explain with a simple idea. Americans don't hit every letter hard. Some sounds are soft. For example, the word water. Many learners say water. Very strong. But in American English, it sounds more like water. Soft in the middle. Relaxed. Another example. The word better. It sounds like better, not better. You see? Soft sounds. Easy flow. Now let's talk about stress. This is very important. In American English, we stress keywords. Not every word. For example, listen to this sentence. I need to finish this today. The stress is on need, finish, and today. The small words are softer. This makes your speech sound natural, not robotic, not flat. Let me explain with daily conversation. Imagine you're at work. Someone asks, "Are you free now?" You can say, "Yeah, I'm free right now." Notice the stress. Free and right now. The rest is smooth. Now, here's a big tip. Don't copy accents from movies only. Movies are dramatic. Real life is simple. Listen to normal conversations. Podcasts, interviews, people talking calmly. That's real American English. Also, don't worry about every sound. Focus on rhythm first. Sound calm. Sound confident. Accent improves with time. Now, let's talk about confidence. You know, many people actually understand you already, but you don't feel confident. Accent confidence comes from speaking daily. Even 5 minutes a day helps. All right, now it's time to practice. This is important. Listen and repeat after me. Relax your mouth. Speak slowly. Repeat after me. I'm trying to speak more clearly. Again, I'm trying to speak more clearly. Next one, I want to sound calm and natural. Again, I want to sound calm and natural. Next, this takes time, and that's okay. Again, this takes time, and that's okay. Next, I'm not rushing my words. Again, I'm not rushing my words. Next, I speak slowly and confidently. Again, I speak slowly and confidently. Last one, people can understand me clearly. Again, people can understand me clearly. Great job. That was excellent. Even if it felt strange, that's normal. Your mouth is learning something new. Now, before we finish, remember this. A good American accent is not magic. It's habit. Small practice every day. Clear words. Calm voice. Don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to yesterday. You're improving step by step. Keep speaking. Keep listening. And most importantly, keep believing in yourself. You're doing better than you think. I'll see you again tomorrow for your next English practice.